Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a review on this guy right here. This is from Ren Clean Skincare. It is their Evercalm Anti-Redness Serum. This is a product that is supposed to help the redness on your face go away. I said it. And really into it. So what I did in this video was I've been using this product for 2 weeks now and updating you. So I updated you at the beginning, like the very first time that I used it, and then I updated about halfway through, and then at the very end where I felt like the product's pretty much done everything there is to do. So it's been about 2 weeks that I've been testing this out, so I can give you an actual full in-depth review, which I'm really excited about because this is the first time that I've ever actually done something like this, and I definitely like being able to give you guys a more in-depth review and not just a first impression. This product retails for $46, and you're supposed to apply this under moisturizer in the morning and under night cream in the evening, so twice a day. That's a lot of money. I did find a lot of things out while using this product, and I mean, like, I've been doing a new skincare routine and like really been into it lately. And I think the combination of that and a new soap face wash that I've been using have made my skin softer than ever. I think we have a long ways to go on improving my skin, but definitely like a really nice start. Like, it's so freaking soft. My skin has never been this soft, so I'm really loving it. And I never really, understood serums. They just weren't really like speaking to me, but this one definitely does. I mean, I'll tell you right now, no, I'm gonna wait till the end. I'm gonna tell you how I truly feel about it until the end. But definitely know that I'm super excited to find something that could potentially help the redness on my face. I feel that bronzer doesn't go on as good as it could, and that it definitely like throws my bronzer, my brush, my blush, my highlight out of, whack, because I have a nice set of pigmentation underneath my cheeks, and foundation doesn't always cover that up as much as it could, and then it just offsets everything from there, which always made me really self-conscious because I do feel like I was also overcompensating and putting on too much bronzer, too much blush, and then I would step outside and it just would not look cute. So it's definitely, exciting to find something that had really good reviews and, has that potential to help me feel a little bit more comfortable in my skin and definitely make my skin look better. So without further ado, let's roll the clips of me reviewing the product for you. We are doing a review on the Ren Clean Skincare. So it's really weird because I'm filming this part before I film the intro, so kind of forgetting that I don't really need to say anything that, was said just like 20 seconds ago. But okay, so here is what the bottle looks like, and this is super freaking luxurious, which is super awesome because this was super freaking expensive, but I decided to invest in my skincare because that's not something that I've done yet, and I probably feel like I'm at that phase where I should. So I'm really super excited to get to try this out. I mean, I guess to have found it because, like, I bought it, so you know what I mean. But I have a lot of redness on my face, and it does really makes me a little self-conscious just because on those no makeup days, like, everybody's like, oh, honey, are you okay? Because your skin is, really red right now. I'm like, that's normal. But also when I apply makeup, since my cheeks are darker than the rest of my skin, my bronzer and my blush doesn't really go on as nicely as it could. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and zoom you in so you can really get like a nice before of my face, and then I will apply it and let you know like how it smells and how it feels and everything like this. And this is going to be like a continuation Oh, morning and night? Wow. I'm gonna go through this real quick. So this is also going to be like a continuation of how is it working, you know, how long did it take to work. It doesn't say like how quickly it's supposed to work. It just visibly reduces redness and doesn't give you like, you know, after a week's use. So I guess we're going to kind of learn that together. I am going to do some research online as well. Okay, so I have quite a bit of redness right here and on my cheek right here. It goes down my nose as well, depending on my skin that day. Sometimes around my eyebrows will be red. Don't really understand that. But I do feel as I am getting older, it's getting worse, so that kind of stinks. So it is nice that this is a pump, and I mean, it smells like, I don't know, I mean, it smells nice, and it is like a pretty runny moisturizer, and that was about 1.5 pumps. Reminds me of something gross that I don't want to say on the internet. I smell some sunscreen in there as well, so let's go ahead and put this on. I mean, it's moisturizer. It's a pretty thin moisturizer, so it's gone on pretty well. I'm just wanting to make sure that I get it everywhere and don't waste any because that's expensive. Okay. So my face does feel like a little tacky, but it doesn't feel heavy. So, I mean, oh no, I wasted some. Okay. Okay, so I am going to put on some makeup, and then I will be right back, and I will let you know how makeup applied on top of the skin as well. Okay, so my makeup went on fine. Nothing honestly to report. Took me maybe about 30 minutes to do my makeup, so nothing like has come out of the ordinary. My skin doesn't feel weird or anything like that, so you know, I think we're out of the woods right now. But that is all that I have to report for this check-in right now, and you know, I'll see you in a couple days. Okay, so today is Friday, and I filmed the part that you saw right before this on Sunday. So that means that I have used the product, the Ren Anti-Redness Serum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 10. So what? So 5 full days. I used it once today already. And my camera's crooked. Ignore that I look like a man. I'm currently conditioning my hair. Okay, so I've used it 11 times since I filmed the original start of using this product. And honestly, it's working. I was getting really nervous like 2-ish days in, and I really didn't notice any change. But now on the 6th day of using this product, I've definitely noticed a lot of change. So all I've done today, I don't have anything on my skin right now except for the serum. I washed my face and I put the serum on. So this is all natural, and it's definitely a lot less red. And my chin is a lot less red. My nose is still pretty much the same. But my cheeks are definitely a lot better. I'm going to dim the lights. It's going to make it really dark in here. Just so you can get a better look at my skin, you know, 6 days in, so you can make your own judgment as well. I have the lights, you know, completely off. So I personally, for one, need to turn the lights back on because, honey, I need it. But honestly, about this product, what's going on? I personally feel like it is definitely working so far. I want to give it a few, probably like, I would say like another week, just to really see if it can get a lot of it gone or all of it gone. I have noticed like there's no point in putting it on areas that aren't red, and you're just wasting a product, and it's an expensive product, so you're wasting money as well. So I definitely learned that there was definitely no point in putting it on in conjunction with the new face wash that I've been using as well. My skin is super freaking soft, and I haven't had any breakouts from either of them, but especially from the serum. No breakouts whatsoever, so it's definitely, you know, claims to be good for sensitive skin, and it is good for sensitive skin. So far, so good. So I will, honestly, probably won't check in for, you know, 6 more days, unless like, you know, 4 days in and I really see like it all gone or something like that. But I definitely, you know, don't want to come on here and update you guys when there's really no change. I think that's pointless. So, yeah. All right. And I will see you guys in a few days. Hey guys. So, I keep like saying hello, even though it's just an update. Here we are, probably on the last, not probably, this will be the last update for this review video. Where did I put it? Hold on. What we are talking about is this Ren Anti-Redness Serum, and after this marks 2 weeks of using it, as it recommends, which is 2 times a day, morning and night, here is what my skin looks like now. So this is pretty spot on. I will say I like picked a little bit here. And the camera is kind of exaggerating the redness that I do have, but it's mostly right in here on my cheeks still, but this is pretty clear. This is not as red as it looks on camera. And over here, this is pretty red still, but I think it's a little slightly irritated because I did just do like some eye little mask thingies, and it did kind of like irritate the skin, and my skin is red no matter what. So unless I'm like in a very, very calm, relaxed, not doing anything state, my face isn't red. If I am nervous, if I am warm, if I'm mad, if I'm sad, whatever emotion I'm feeling, and if I do anything that's energetic at all, it does kind of flare up the redness that I do have on my cheeks. But when I'm at a very calm state, I have noticed that this is not as red as it is appearing on camera right now. And this right here is pretty much like gone. And then the redness on my cheek is pretty much gone as well. And there's some redness on my nose right now, but I've been tanning in a tanning bed. I know it's bad, don't kill me, but I'm going to the Bahamas and I need to be a little tan so I don't burn like a lobster. But the redness was pretty much like completely gone before I went tanning today. And it's very, very subtle now, and it's really, I just think it's more of like not like happy with the tanning bed. Overall, like this is really freaking cool. I think that this really worked. I'm going to save my true feelings for it here when I do the end of the video. But yeah, this is like a really, really like awesome update, I think. I was not very convinced when I last updated you guys, and I definitely am convinced now. Yeah, I'll just wait to tell you everything. I will say about like right here is how much I have used up of this product. I've definitely learned less is more, and to only target to the areas that have redness on them. There's no point in putting it anywhere on your face that doesn't have a problem with redness consistently. And I think that's one really good way to conserve the product and not use it up too quickly since it is pretty expensive. But yeah, I'm glad that this was a successful review and a successful update, and I'll see you, you know, you'll see me when I end this video out. Okay. Alright, Okay guys, so that is everything, and I must say I really freaking like this product. I think it definitely worked. It's gonna stay in my skincare routine, and I will repurchase this. Like, this is it. This is the serum I'm using for the rest of my life. I will never stray from this. Like, stray. I will never stray from this. Like, you my best friend, you my holy grail, you my boo. And I am just super ecstatic to have something, or to even find something that helps me feel better about my skin and about the redness. You know, it is what it is, and it's not like I'm embarrassed about it, but I definitely love being able to put on makeup and not have all that pigmentation coming through. It's definitely super exciting. I totally think that this is worth the money. If you can afford to buy this and you have problems with redness on your face, you definitely should give this a try. I had 0 breakouts. I had 0 irritation. It says it's for sensitive skin, which was really appealing to me. That's definitely what I need in my skincare routine, and I highly recommend this. Like, I'm putting my little stamp of approval on this, and it's definitely like, great. I love it. I definitely love it. Cannot, you know, stop. Okay guys, so after doing those side-by-side comparisons, I personally don't really think that you see a difference in my skin. However, I am telling you, in person, there is definitely a huge difference. I totally notice it on my daily routine, and I just think that the camera is just picking up or making my skin look a lot redder than it actually is. But I wanted to show you side by sides so you didn't think I was trying to hide anything, but I definitely wanted to call out that I truly see in real life a difference in my skin. Do not be fooled by those side-by-sides. Raving about it because it totally helped me, and I think that if you have that problem as well, or it's something that you're self-conscious about, it can totally help you too. I will say everybody's skin is different, and I am not a dermatologist or anything like that, but in my opinion, I think it is a wonderful product, and in my opinion, I definitely think that you should give it a try. You know, it's no harm, no foul sort of thing. I definitely love it. It's the man. But that is everything for this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you like these type of review videos where it actually, like, we have some time in between and we're actually testing some things out, then make sure that you give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already so you can see more reviews and different types of you know, videos. I don't just do reviews on my channel, and hit that little notification bell so it will notify you as well. And yeah, follow me on all of my social medias, and that is everything, guys. I am so proud of this video. I think I'm really proud that I stay so committed to it, like, because normally I'm not committed to skincare. Trying to work on it. But yeah, that is everything. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.